Hey folks, thanks a lot for being here, and also thank you for supporting the FinTech Innovation Lab. I'm Sarmad. I'm the co-founder CEO of LastMile AI. We enable software developers who are not ML experts to build and deploy generative AI applications. So there's a lot of hype around generative AI. There are a lot of AI startups in this cohort as well. And it's finally starting to show improvements in the bottom line of company earnings. So the most innovative companies are able to attribute over 10% of their earnings to generative AI adoption today. Unfortunately, less than 5% of companies are that successful. And our goal at LastMile is to enable enterprises to become Gen AI high performers. So it's incredibly easy today to get started with a proof of concept and build an impressive demo. Generative AI models are now available with an API call, but it's incredibly difficult to get them ready for production. So many Gen AI projects get stuck in the proof of concept stage with a long tail of edge cases they have to deal with. Jerry mentioned hallucinations as one example. And they're also impossible to test and verify using traditional software developer practices. And so at LastMile, we provide a scientific, process-based approach to Gen AI application development that lets you get to production 3 times faster. So we've seen this before as a team. We came from Meta's AI organization, where we were responsible for Meta's AI developer infrastructure. And so we're taking some of the learnings we had for building ML ops for ML engineers and taking that and applying it to Gen AI ops for software developers. The LastMile platform encompasses the build, test, and deploy phases of Gen AI application development. And what makes us different is a set of opinionated products that we've built. The first one is AI config. We believe that prompts should be stored as configurations and not code, so that they can be versioned, managed, and reused across an organization. Second is auto-eval. We believe that AI should be used to test and validate AI systems. And as part of that, we have a suite of evaluator models that are able to cheaply and effectively validate AI application performance and give you a benchmark of performance metrics. And finally, we provide a set of tracing and observability tools to equip developers with the signals they need to be able to debug and root cause issues when things go wrong, as well as to gather the data they need for compliance workflows on the path to production. Crucially, what we want to help you do is build your own IP with generative AI and own the models and the data that let you do that. So as part of that, we allow you to train evaluator models that are fine-tuned for your own Gen AI applications, which provides unparalleled insights into application performance. And second, we are soon launching the ability to tune small language models, which allow you to optimize generative AI application performance and significantly reduce cost of serving traffic without compromising on the quality of the application. And most importantly, we do all this deploying within your cloud infrastructure and cloud VPCs so that you're able to have complete control over the compute as well as your own data. The LastMile is a year and a half old. We were funded by Google's Gradient Ventures last year. We raised a $10 million seed round. We're just getting started. We have a very ambitious roadmap ahead of us, including fundamentally new ways of mitigating hallucinations from large language models. So if you're interested in that, or generally just how to productionize POCs, please come find me and my amazing co-founder Andrew at the booth afterwards. Thank you so much.